Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from coefficient of friction. As per the given question, water at 25 degrees centigrade is flowing through a 1 kilometer long pipe. It's kilometer long CI pipe, cast iron pipe of 200 mm diameter at the rate of 0.07 meter cube per second. Discharge is given. If the value of Darcy friction factor for the pipe is 0.02 and the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, the pumping power in kilowatt required to maintain the flow is, you have to find the power actually. So first of all you have to write down the given data. Temperature is given as 25 degrees centigrade and length is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer must be converted to meter, 1000 meter of 200 mm diameter. Diameter of the pipe is 200 mm. 200 mm must be converted to meter, 0.2 meter. If the Darcy, okay, at the rate of 0.07, discharge is given 0.07 meter cube per second. If the value of Darcy friction factor for the pipe is 0.02, so 4 into coefficient of friction F. So this problem is also related to coefficient of friction. F is there, 0.02. Density of water rho is given 1000 kg per meter cube. Question is find the pumping power in kilowatt required to maintain the flow. So I will start the solution from here. Power equal to, we know the formula rho G Q HF. This is also one formula for finding the power if discharge and density and head loss is given. So rho is given 1000, G will be your 9.81. Discharge is also given 0.07. So you have to find actually HF, head loss due to friction. So formula is 4FL V square by D into 2G. It's a big equation. So 1000 into 9.81, you get 9810 into 0.07 into 4F LV square by D into 2G. So 0.07 into 4F. What is 4F value? 0.02 into length. Length is your 1000 into velocity square. So velocity is not given, but we know that velocity equal to discharge by area, and discharge is your 0.07 by area, 5/4 into d square. What is diameter? 0.2 square. This is area, but we have to find v square. So I will write here 0.07 divided by 5/4 d square, that is 0.2 square, and it is whole square. So I got v square, discharge by area whole square, correct, divided by d, 0.02 diameter, 0.2 actually, okay, 0.2 d into 2 into g, 9.81. It's a big equation, but if you solve this equation, you will be getting value of power equal to 17376.5 watt. You will get in watt, and you have to convert into kilowatt, correct. So if you convert to kilowatt, you will be getting 17.37 kilowatt. So I hope you can guess which one is the correct answer. 17.37 which is equal to 17.4 kilowatt. Option B is the right answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. 17.4 kilowatt we are getting the pumping power required to maintain the flow. Okay, thank you.